What can you get for just under $1 million outside Lakewood Ranch? Let's take a look. Today we are in Canoe Creek, that's right outside Lakewood Ranch. And for just over $900,000, you get 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, plus a den, just over 2,300 square feet, and an awesome lifestyle. Stay to the end of the video and I'll show you on a map how everything works out. Let's go see it. Okay, as promised, here is the map. This is our website, oasisgroupfl.com. We do not make you put your phone number or email or anything else like that. It's a completely free website. Here's the map. We also have Yelp reviews for restaurants on here, for local restaurants. We have a mortgage calculator. We have got the different schools in the area. So it's a one-stop shop when it comes to everything. But here is the map. And I have to say, first things first, I'm telling you, Neil Communities, they built a phenomenal home. And this was Coconut Creek that we saw today. And Coconut Creek is right here. Now, here's the cool part. You are 35 minutes away from the Siesta Key Airport. You are an hour and 45 minutes away from Disney. You are 2 hours away from Universal Studios. You are 3.5 hours away from Miami. So you are instantly right in the middle of everything. Everything that's going on, it is right there. And 75 is the main thoroughfare here. You can get anywhere in Florida lightning quick. Tampa is only an hour away. The Tampa airport is about an hour and a half, but the Sarasota airport is only 35 minutes away. And also 45 minutes away is Siesta Key. Siesta Key is the best beach in the world, as you know. And if you're a foodie, you've got great stuff on Siesta Key. You've got great stuff here at UTC Mall. But here, down here, is absolutely fantastic. It's called St. Armand Circle, and you can't beat it. It's at high-end bistros and just really super great restaurants, like 14 different restaurants. Every single one of them is fantastic. You can't go wrong when it comes to St. Armand Circle, and it truly is a circle. It's really super cool. And you've got the best beaches also in the world right here. So you really have everything. But here's the coolest thing: when you have anything that you have here in Sarasota, you have 250 days of sunshine. 250. It's literally paradise here. So, I mean, you can't go wrong anywhere you live, whether you live in Sarasota here, you live in Lakewood Ranch is right here, Canoe Creek is right here. You're going to get a lot more for your money up in Canoe Creek. Lakewood Ranch is the best of the best. So you're going to pay a premium for that. You have Siesta right here, Siesta Key right here. You have Sarasota right here. You have Bradenton right here. But like I said, Canoe Creek is absolutely fantastic and you can't go wrong. If we can help you anytime, whether it's in 2 days or 2 years, just reach out. All you have to do is click this little thing right here. And the first thing that will be pop up will be a bot. After that, it's me or my wife or someone that works with us, but probably me. So anyway, we would love to add you to one of our clients. You can see the clients coming in around here, and we'd love to add you to one of our clients and help you make a smooth move to the Sarasota area. Anyway, see you on the next video.